In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this really cool poster all the way from scratch in Canva using all of the Canva elements that are available. So I'll split up this tutorial into two parts. One, creating the poster, and two, I'll put it in the mockup so you know how to do both. Let's jump into Canva, see how we do it. And here in Canva, we're starting from an Instagram design, so 4x5, nothing special there. Go to elements and type in Paris. Now we go for photos and see all. And then you can basically choose any picture of Paris that you like, or any other location that doesn't really matter. And then if you found a nice image, let's say we take this one, we just drag it on the screen, and I'm going to position it entirely in the center. Now we want to go for the elements again and look for airplane window, because we want to have that window effect. And then go for graphics, see all, and you can choose whichever one you like. Since it's a photorealistic or like sort of semi-realistic picture, I'm going to choose a realistic window as well. I'm going to scale it down just a bit so that the top of the Eiffel Tower can come out of the window, and then it also sort of meets the border of the grass. So that looks quite good. Now we can already see that the picture and the window are different tones. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to edit the picture, and I'm going to give it some sort of a warm feeling, a warm tone towards it. Let's use that bronze filter, this one, and tone it down just a bit because it's quite hectic. And I'm going to do the same for the window. Also reduce it, but then at least they get like the same warmer feeling, and that's what we want. Now I'm going to use some shadow, so shadow, and then graphics, and then let's select this circular one here, not circular, but like oval shape, and place it here at the bottom. Position, and drag it below the window, so it's right here. And I think we can use another one, where we go a little bit larger. Let's take this one, it's quite hard. So I'm going to scale it up, place it underneath, and then we can use some transparency to soften it and to tone it down. But this already looks quite good. So if we then just nudge it to the bottom a bit, this already looks like it's integrated more and it's more realistic. So that's what we want. Now we're going to copy the image and paste it again. And I'm going to remove background. So we only have the Eiffel Tower, that's what we want. And then just adjust the crop selection so that the top part of the tower pops out. That's what we want. Now I'm going to go over the text and look for some nice text elements. Let's say we use this one and type in Paris. And then at the top, we type in vacation, whatever you want. Let's increase it, make it white, both of them. So both of the fonts white, looks quite good. Center it. And then I'm also going to position this and drag it below that Eiffel Tower. Now maybe to tweak it a little bit and really top it off, I'm going to add some light rays to it. Let's look for a light ray. And I'm going to choose one that is sort of realistic. So let's take this one. It's quite harsh. I'm going to position it in the top, maybe outside of the screen a bit more, and then increase it in size, and then we can just nudge it off the screen so it doesn't block anything. And let's position it, drag it below the other parts. That looks good, so everything gets the cool attention. Let's already put that on full screen. And this is already quite a cool poster that we can create in Canva. Now let's look at that export part, so how we can put it in a mockup and make it look really realistic. And for that, I'm going to first export file, so download, as a PNG, and just download it. Give it a few seconds to load. And now I'm going to open up a new window, let's say presentation, go to the apps and type in mockups, spelled right, of course, scroll down and go to outdoor. And here, let's take a billboard. This one, for example, let's click it and add it to the slide. I'm going to increase it so it fills the entire screen and then place it in the center so everything's visible. Now let's drag in our image and then just release it on top of that frame. And there we go. Let's position it right and put that on full screen. And this is how you can create this really cool poster and put it in a mockup in Canva in only just a few minutes. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.